Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're taking a look at the 2026 new heavy-duty floor gap fixer tool. And if you've ever been frustrated with shifting planks or visible gaps in your flooring, this tool is a total game changer. Built with a powerful enhanced vacuum suction cup, it grips firmly onto your floor surface, giving you strong control to pull planks tightly back into place. Whether you're working with laminate, vinyl, wood, or even tile flooring, this tool handles it all with ease. What makes it stand out is the heavy-duty construction. It feels solid, durable, and designed to handle repeated use without losing suction or strength. You don't need to be a professional either. This tool makes floor repairs quick, simple, and surprisingly satisfying. Instead of using makeshift methods that can damage your floors, this gives you a precise and controlled way to fix gaps cleanly. It saves time, effort, and potentially costly repairs down the line. The bright orange design also makes it easy to spot in your toolbox, and its compact size means you can store it without any hassle. Overall, if you want a reliable, easy-to-use solution to fix floor gaps and keep your flooring looking perfect, this is definitely worth picking up. Click the link below for the best price.